Welcome. This is a practice to connect you directly to your intuitive voice, to tap into the wisdom that is always whispering within you. All you need is a pen and paper or your phone's notes app. There are no wrong answers here, only the beautiful practice of listening. Now let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position wherever you are. Gently close your eyes if that feels right for you. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale through your mouth, let go of any tension you're holding on to. Now let's take another deep breath in, filling your lungs. And sigh it out on the exhale, releasing the day's busy thoughts. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Bring your awareness into your body. Just notice what you feel. The weight of your body on your seat, the air on your skin. Now notice what you can hear, the sounds near you, the sounds far away. Just listening without judgment. Now bring all of your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart space. Imagine a soft, calming light glowing there. Your own personal place of inner peace and knowing. Rest your attention here. Now from this quiet, centered space within, we're going to gently ask a question. Whenever you ask the question, you'll simply start writing whatever message comes through, without judging it, without questioning it, and without thinking about it. You can use this question, or you can use one that feels right for you. The first question is, higher self, what would you have me know today? Without opening your eyes just yet, feel for the answer. It might not be words at first. It might be a feeling, an image, or a knowing. Now, whenever you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and pick up your pen or open your notes app. Your only job for the next few minutes is to scribe. Without thinking, without judging, just start writing the first words, phrases, or sentences that come to mind. Don't question where it's coming from. Don't worry about spelling or grammar. Just let the message flow through your hand. If your mind goes blank, simply write, I am listening, until a new thought emerges. Trust whatever comes through, and begin now. When you're ready, gently come to a close and place your pen down. Take one more deep breath. Let it nourish you as you breathe in. Let it relax you as you exhale out. Look at what you've written. Read it over without judgment. This is the voice of your intuition. This is your inner wisdom saying hello. Thank yourself for taking this time to show up and listen. Thank your higher self and your guides for giving you this message. The more you practice this, the stronger, clearer, and more trusting this connection will become. Carry this feeling of connection with you and have a beautiful day.